Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We are looking at the new Hart tools, the new Hart power tools, hand tools, and toolboxes. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. So you guys know, Hart, it is rolling out. As you guys see right there, that is the toolbox, 36-inch, 5-drawer toolbox tool cabinet in black. And that is the top 4-drawer tool chest in black, so that's the top part. Yeah, all these Hart tools are just rolling into Walmart suddenly. 367 must be 367 each. I don't think it's 367 for both, but yeah, really nice colors there for Hart. You got these Hyper Toughs. They are cleansing everything up from Hyper Tough because they're rolling the new stuff in. And so, not necessarily the cheapest there, but just as a reminder, just keep an eye out every time you're walking into Walmart. Just take a quick walk or glance in the tool section and see if there's anything on clearance, like this toolbox or the top box wasn't clearance there. $88, that's what they have up there. But this is the brushed drill. It does include a battery and a charger. As you guys see, that charger is kind of cheap. It looks cheap compared to other brands, but it must work. It must do the job. But as you guys can see, that's a 3/8. And what Hart's doing is they're going DIY. They're going building projects in masonry, and then doing construction grade. So they have like several different tiers of their tools. Obviously, brushless is the top of the line of Hart tools. So if I were you, I would definitely go for the brushless. It's a longer lasting, a stronger tool. Usually the cheaper ones like that one, the $50, $49 drill, it's like really the beginners, drill one hole, put a couple screws in, and you're done. Type of drill thing. You got some more hand tools here. You got a multi-tool, and then you got a box cutter, utility knife. Not a bad little set for 16 in one for under $20. And it does come with a little case there, a little pouch you can put everything in there. But I gotta say, some of these Hart tools are pretty good quality. That tape measure is really nice too. It does have a nice grip to it. Feel really good, really solid. So and it is the thicker part. So you must get a little bit of more, hang when you're stretching it out. And that is the back of the product. And feel free to pause any of these. If you guys want to look at the tool more, you can rewind it or pause it. That's an electric screwdriver. It is a 4 volt. I gotta say the handle does feel really nice. It's a little thick on the side, on the thicker side. So if you got small hands, it's obviously not gonna be, that perfect fit for your hands. But other than that, feels really nice. Feels pretty good. And then they got this socket set here. If I can get in the camera. And yeah, that's it looks pretty nice. It looks pretty clean. Everything looks good. I don't know if these are DIYs or I would say most of the time they're targeting the DIYs. They're not really targeting the professional. $26.44 for that little kit. And then $19.88 for that. This looks more like the Ryobi kits that they have on sale for like $10. However, it's a little different. I think they do include some hole saws in there and some more different bits, so that maybe that's why they're $19.88. But yeah, it reminds me of the Ryobi set. That's a nice screwdriver set there. And then they have one empty shelf there for $178. Yeah, screwdrivers are really nice. They do include the smaller screwdrivers there. And some more bits, universal bits. Not universal bits, but screwdriver bits. And then you got these toolboxes, these big toolboxes for $148. It's a 215 piece mechanics tool set. Still gotta try those out. At least some pliers or something I'll pick up. $24.94 for that pack of 4 pliers. So basically, you pick that up and you're pretty much done with the pliers there. And that bag seemed a little flimsy. Not the best quality ever. It's okay, I guess. But yeah, it's kind of thin on the thin part. 148 for the blower and the string trimmer. So that's not a bad deal. You're getting 2 tools, getting 1 battery or 2 batteries and 1 charger. So that's not a bad deal with two batteries. Basically, use 1 battery and have the other charging, and vice versa. So if one goes, drains, you can have the other one charging. So that's a really nice part on Hart's, and that's a really nice tool. The knee pads that they have. Seems like they had. I seen something like this at Home Depot, but yeah, these are nice quality knee pads there. As you see there, you got a nice grip at the bottom, just like a thick layer of rubber and foam. And then they had the multi-tool axe, 1288. Looks really nice. Seems like rolling slowly, but they are rolling everything in there. More Hart tools are starting to appear. Then you got some sort of permanent marker there for 194. As you guys still see, we still have a lot of stuff from Stanley, Hyper Tough, and that's another Hart nail puller for 1194. A lot more Stanley there. And then we got another clearance section. It says 1997. I don't think nobody's gonna buy this for 1997. So look out for all these items that are gonna go on clearance, especially all the holiday deals that they had. And I know for a fact that this is on clearance. Right now it says it's $11 or $11.44. But I saw that on Brickseek. I think it's cheaper than that. And then we got some nice gloves here. Last time I came here, they had no gloves at all. They were all gone. That's why I just stopped by and look at them. But yeah, they got some nice working gloves there. And some more storage, plastic storage. And then we got the Hyper Tough section. Pretty much is going to be the Hart section. So yeah, they still have a lot of tools they're going to be clearancing out. I don't know if they're going to keep the Hyper Tough as a secondary tool or basically a DIY tool, and the Hart as a advanced DIY to prosumer grade. I don't know if they're going to clearance everything out, but they do still have a lot of kits here. Not everything's on clearance. Everything's still on just regular sales. But I don't know if they're going to be clearing everything out. And then we have that kit there. And then we have those vacuums. Definitely some nice vacuums. And then we have the miter saw. That's a 10-inch compound miter saw. There's the vacuum there. Really, it looks really nice. Looks just the one from Stanley. It's a nice miter saw. And that's the Stanley that's actually on clearance. I think they're going to be replacing that Stanley vacuum wind drive with that Hart. And that's the 10-gallon, 6 peak horsepower. So that's the smaller one. And that's the 16-gallon on the left there. No prices yet. But, pretty soon they'll start rolling out the prices. Those are the standard ones that they have. The shop vac and the Stanley. Looks just like the Stanley. Then everywhere I go, I encounter Hart. So I just, stop filming and then, find something else. Yeah, I have that $74 kit there for it's a nice little kit there. And then they had this, not prices or anything, but it's like a marker. It's like a measuring device here. They just had it stacked up there. So I guess they don't know what to do with all those items. They're just stacking them. And then they have these tool bags. Looks really nice. $24.88 for a tool bag. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.